Salut à tous, it's Marie from justfrenchit.com. Today we are finishing the series on French beauty YouTubers with a video on simply French beauty vocabulary. So we're gonna see together the vocabulary of makeup and beauty. If you haven't watched it yet, please check out the playlist Beauty YouTubers, where you can find a video on the best French beauty YouTubers on YouTube, the English words they are saying and how they Frenchify it, the sentences they are saying in their video and this video, so on beauty vocabulary. Ok, c'est parti, let's go. The first word that I want you to know is hydrater. Hydrater. It means to hydrate. Hydratez bien votre peau. Hydratez bien votre peau means hydrate your skin well. Votre peau, la peau, the skin. Let's say hydrater ensemble. Hydrater. Hydrater. Once your skin is hydrated, you need a base. Une base. Une base. For example, une base matifiante. A matte base, something not to make your skin glowy. Une base matifiante. Une base. Makeup vocabulary is not just about the product, it's also about the tools. Un pinceau. Un pinceau. Pinceau, a brush. Un pinceau plat, a flat brush. Un pinceau plat. Un pinceau. Un pinceau. Un pinceau. And what do you do with a brush? You put on the foundation. You put on your foundation. Vous appliquez le fond de teint. Fond de teint. Careful here, the D in fond and the T in teint are silent. The ones at the end. Okay? Fond de teint. Un fond de teint Chanel. Un fond de teint Chanel. Let's say it together. Fond de teint. Teint. Fond de teint. Another English words French beauty YouTubers are using is un beauty blender. I say it with a French accent. Un beauty blender. Now it's going to depend who is saying it. Sometimes they say it with a French accent, sometimes they say it with an English accent. Un beauty blender. A beauty blender. Mon nouveau beauty blender. My new beauty blender. Now another interesting term that you call a concealer, so something that conceals in English. In French you call it an anti-cernes. The cernes are the dark blue circles you have under your eyes when you wake up, when you haven't slept much, for example, or when you're very tired. Un anti-cernes. Careful, there's a liaison here. Un anti-cernes. Un anti-cernes. For example, the beauty guru can tell you, appliquez votre anti-cernes. Appliquez votre anti-cernes. Let's say it together. Serre. Careful with your R's. Cerne. Un anti-cernes. So another English word that actually is probably a French word to start with, because contour means outline in French. So you are outlining your face with contouring. Un contouring, a contouring. For example, you can do a pretty contouring, which is un joli contouring. 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 Une poudre compacte. Une poudre compacte. Compact powder. Une poudre compacte de voyage. De voyage means you can travel with it, so it's a small size. Une poudre compacte de voyage, it is a compact powder to travel a small sized compact powder. Okay, let's say it together. Une poudre compacte compacte. Une poudre compacte. And the contrary of une poudre compacte is une poudre libre. Literally a free powder, means a loose powder. Okay? Une poudre libre, transparente, without color, transparente. You can see through it, transparent. Une poudre libre. Let's say it together. Une poudre libre. Une poudre libre. Une poudre libre. Now let's add a bit of color on your cheeks with un blush. Very easy to remember. Un blush. Un blush couleur pêche. Couleur pêche. This is something you might find in French. When you say couleur and something, it means it is the color of. Un blush couleur pêche. It is a peach colored blush. Okay? Let's say it together with a French accent. Easy peasy. Un blush. Blush. Very good. Hey, another easy one. Although be careful with this one, because the ER, we are not going to pronounce as a French ER, which would be E. We are going to pronounce it as in English. Un bronzer. Un bronzer. This is how we're going to pronounce it. Yes, I know it is a bit weird. But let's, hold on to it. Un bronzer. Un joli bronzer. Un bronzer. Very good. Alright, can you sense a pattern of English-looking words? Yes. If you want more like that, I actually made a video on it, which will be on the top corner, one of the corners, I never know which one, of the video. So let's say this one with a French accent as well, not pronouncing the H. Un highlighter. Un highlighter. Highlighter. Yes. Highlighter. Un highlighter à paillettes. Paillettes, it means glitter. Un highlighter à paillettes. A highlighter with glitter. Right, this looks more like a French word, doesn't it? Un fard à paupières. Un fard à paupières. Be careful, silent D. Paupières means eyelid. Un fard à paupières. So fard, it means putting color on. Fard à paupières, so putting color on your eyelid. For example, if you want to add a color to it, un fard à paupières vert. Un fard à paupières vert. Now let's say it together. Fard à paupières. 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 Now, you can have eyeshadow in a palette. Une palette, very easy, palette. Une palette de blush, for example. Une palette de fard à paupières. Une palette. 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 Okay, here I put two words because you see those ones as meaning the same thing when it comes to makeup. Irisé, irisé, ou brillant, brillant. Both means glossy. Un phare irisé, un phare à paupières irisé means it is a glossy eyeshadow. Irisé. Irisé. Brillant. Brillant. Very good. If you want to describe, or if the French beauty YouTubers want to describe colors, they are going to use Foncé, which means deep, as in a deep color, a darker color, or Clair, which is the contrary, Clair, which means light. For example, un bleu clair, a light blue, un bleu foncé, a deep blue, or a dark blue. Okay, let's say it. Foncé. Foncé. Clair. Clair. Foncé. Clair. Oh, look at that, another English word. Un eyeliner. Un eyeliner. Eyeliner. Un eyeliner bleu. Un eyeliner bleu. Be careful, we are doing a liaison here in between the un and I. Un eyeliner. Un eyeliner. Mascara. Un mascara. For example, un mascara waterproof. Ouh là là. Yes. Un mascara waterproof. Let's say it together. Un mascara. Un mascara. You saw it coming, didn't you? Yes. Waterproof. Here, everyone is going to say it with a French accent because it's actually part of the French vocabulary now. Waterproof. Waterproof. Un mascara waterproof. Waterproof. Proof. Un mascara waterproof. Alright, a very French one, which is in the same vein as un fard à paupières. Here we're going to say un rouge à lèvres. Un rouge à lèvres. A red for the lips. Un rouge à lèvres. A lipstick. You could say un rouge à lèvres mat. Mat, which we're going to see together right after. Now let's say it together. Un rouge à lèvres. Un rouge à lèvres. Mat, which doesn't mean carpet, but means matte as in it's not glossy. I couldn't find I'm not actually super sure of my English translation here, so please correct me if I'm wrong. Un rouge à lèvres mat, which is the contrary of un rouge à lèvres brillant or irisé, which means a glossy lipstick. So this one is a non-glossy lipstick, so a matte lipstick. Can you say that? Tell me in the comments. Matte. And finally, the last one of our French beauty vocabulary is un gloss. Un gloss. A gloss. Mettre du gloss, to put gloss on. Mettre du rouge à lèvres. Mettre du blush. Mettre de l'eyeliner. Mettre du fond de teint. I hope you remember all of that. Un gloss. Gloss. Now tell me, use your vocabulary, tell me, do you put makeup on? And if then, what do you put on your face? What products do you use? Answer me in French in the comments, please. And if you want even more vocabulary, check out the playlist vendredi vocabulary or just click on the hashtag just below the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week for another video on Just French It. À la prochaine!